Welcome back to Clark Star Culinary. Today we're making a savory baked brie. This is a recipe that's been in my head for some time and it turned out really good, so I want to share it with you all. First, you're going to need 8 ounces of brie. We're going to season the rind of the brie with an unsalted Italian seasoning blend, and we're just going to sprinkle that onto a cutting board, also with some garlic powder and fresh cracked black pepper. The brie is tacky, so just roll the brie over the seasonings and press the brie down on the seasonings on both sides. Do this carefully so the rind does not crack open. Next, we're going to wrap the seasoned brie with some Prosciutto di Parma. And we have some puff pastry. I have 2 sheets that have been pressed together in the middle, as you can see. Put the brie in the middle and wrap it with the pastry, securing the corners by twisting them down into knots. And now we're going to brush the puff pastry with some egg wash. Finally, we're going to use some of our seasoning from earlier and sprinkle them onto the pastry. Put the brie on a baking pan and into the oven set to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 1 hour. Afterwards, let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes and enjoy. You can serve it with some crackers. I have a great recipe for crackers in the description box down below. This savory brie is a great appetizer served along with a fruit platter and definitely some wine. As usual, thank you all for watching Clark Star Culinary. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the notification icon so that you can be notified of our next video upload. Until next time, bye-bye.